Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ebaad Malick, and I'm going to be joining OACM as an interventional pain and spine physician. My training was a long one, but well worth it. I did my undergrad studies at Rutgers University, medical school at Ross University School of Medicine, my residency in family medicine at Wellspring Good Samaritan Hospital, and practiced as an attending for 3 years and went back for a chronic and interventional pain fellowship at UPMC. I take pride in being able to help patients with their chronic pain from head to toe. And at OACM, my practice will have an orthopedic focus to help patients with their chronic pain, whether it's from arthritis, disc herniation, spinal issues, neuropathy, but I'm able to help patients with a wide range of chronic pain issues. I also look forward to helping patients stay on top of their screening for osteoporosis and helping prevent or treat osteoporotic compression fractures.